The title of my talk is Low Energy Nuclear Reactions with Emission of 2 Photons. We show that nuclear reactions are possible at low energies as second order in perturbation theory. The process works only in a medium and not in free space. We consider the following reaction which involves emission of 2 photons. Here, hydrogen undergoes fusion with deuteron to form helium-3 with emission of 2 photons. The process is induced by electromagnetic perturbation. Here we show it graphically. Free hydrogen and deuteron emits a photon, makes a transition into an intermediate state with energy En, which again emits a photon and makes a transition into helium-3. There are in fact two amplitudes which have to be added. So we consider the transition amplitude. This is the overlap between the initial and final state. Here is the expression for the second order time dependent perturbation theory. The initial state makes a transition into an intermediate state through this interaction Hamiltonian. The intermediate state makes a transition into the final state through another interaction Hamiltonian. And we have to sum over all intermediate states. The initial state has energy of few electron volts. The intermediate state has all possible energies. We have to integrate over all possible intermediate state energies up to infinity. Hence, because of this high energies involved, Coulomb barrier may be overcome. Here, as we'll see, energies relevant are of the order of keV or higher. The final state is, of course, helium-3. Now, this overlap here is very small unless the interaction Hamiltonian also shows rapid dependence on R. This in fact happens due to the emission of a high energy photon. So this matrix element in fact turns out to be significant in the neighborhood of when the wave number is of the order of the photon wave number. The nuclear red matrix element, which involves a Coulomb barrier, actually takes significant values in this region where this is large. However, the process fails in free space. This is because the tunneling factor is a slowly varying function of energy in comparison to the molecular matrix element. Hence, the sum over intermediate energies becomes very small. In medium, however, if we imagine that the dH is located in the cylindrical gap in which the potential is approximately 0, the wave functions can be approximately free space wave functions. We do get observable effect with reaction rate of the order of 10 to the power minus 16 per second. We predict emission of 2 photons in coincidence with total energy of the order of 5 MeV. Hence, the proposed mechanism can be tested experimentally. Thank you.